I can start here and then get into that. Yeah, fine. But if I start like this, it's like, I don't understand that either.
I feel like I had that problem. It's easier to top roll with you than your hook second goal.
Well, my top roll, my right side.
Yeah, you're going to be really hard.
So I need to practice my top. Like, I know it sucks, so I need to practice it, but I hate practicing it because I suck at it.
It's all about
I just feel like, especially if I'm in a trap, I feel like I have zero permission.
I train a lot. I still feel like I'm not. I think it's all about you can keep your wrist straight, the other person I don't have an automatic for that. I guess the hard's off. Yeah. What sucks is that one of these. I'm not strong.
Leaving up too, man. I saw that. I seen that.
It's about long hours.
That sucks.
We're doing this nursing home on the range.
It's all about
Should
that,
be
like,
done this week.
rock, paper,
Good.
scissors.
Yeah.
Like, that's what I'm wrestling with.
Finishing up a bathroom, tile bathroom.
There are just certain techniques that are going to be,
Nice.
Let's get that.
you know, just,
Love it.
I don't know.
Good to
like,
see you,
I
though.
like top roll.
I'm glad I can make it.
Just
Wish
feels
that earlier day to day.
cool. Right. But I just like, I can't. I think it's easy to do.
I can keep those doors open much longer.
I know, it's chilly.
One of them
I love
things.
it though.
Yeah. Right now, especially while we're arm wrestling.
I don't know, man. You can just take
Cool off quick.
Like, that's
strong too.
That's pretty
Get
cool.
here now. It's like, oh, here we go. It's starting to warm or cool off. You know, trying to get warmed up again.
Oh, yeah.
And that's
I don't typically train anything.
can't ever get warm in the winter time.
Better at it.
Hey, what's up, guys?
And I don't even curl what some of these guys curl. So I don't know why I'm strong at it.
I think it's just about the fit.
What'd you pull on the Ohio tournament?
It's about taking some of the
I've been working.
Yeah.
I got a tournament to go
Well, and like
next month or so,
when I'm looking, if I'm chopping down too, which is
and let my arm heal.
putting you on
I need to get 3 weeks.
Yeah.
I'm a week out right now, and I'm still sore from last
putting you
week.
in this
Right?
like
Oh, yeah.
I do arm day the same day I do.
we just went.
But today I went and did legs. It's like
I think it would be a little bit
Yeah.
different versus me.
last few weeks I've been doing that, so it's taking its toll on me now. I gotta let it rest. My elbows
I
are
can
killing
definitely
me
feel
too.
it. Now, like, I'm saying, like, let's just go high.
They're all fat as fuck too, man.
See how that looks.
Swole up.
I saw that picture you put. Yeah, it
Now
looks
this one's
huge,
starting
man.
to swell up too.
So it might
It
not
goes
be
down
that
right away.
bad of it.
Yeah.
I think it just might be.
But I can let it heal up, probably go away altogether, you know.
Yeah.
Because the guys will come in during the week, but they don't want to arm wrestle.
Yeah.
I'm like, I don't really
Yeah, you
give it a
can
break.
recover.
Like I'm like what I'm thinking in my head is I'm almost going like a little bit like a tricep or like press
Doug's good at
while
climbing.
obviously
He's brain
I'm cupping.
And this is like his 4th or 5th practice.
Oh, yeah.
And he's been just
absorb it.
Well, and here's the thing, like I'm not like committing to a press. It's just once I get kind of sunk in, I'm kind of thinking about. It's almost like I'm dragging, and that's what's putting the pressure down on you, I guess. So Mike can go get something.
On the top roll, I mean,
No, that's okay. Like that. Like that.
Taking your hand and going this way. Turning it. Driving this down and pushing it into that phone. It helps to turn it over. Yeah. So that's how you do it. It is, I mean,
I'm bad.
good defense against that type of move. So we'll take the flat wrist and donate under their hand. Give them a little bit of. That's how I'm defensive. Somebody gets in there and hold their wrist this way. And almost flattens the wrist out.
So you're not even so you're pronating instead of going to one that. Not even
Defensively, I've always looked this way.
So if he gets me over, you're kind of.
You're trying, okay, so he's trying to turn you farther palm around, okay? I'm just taking it like this. Pronate, keep your wrist, pronate. Not trying to turn really out of it, just pronate stuff now by just doing flat wrist.
I'm just trying to kind of stay loose.
Let's get that one going.
Yeah, enough donation. If you've got it up here, the cable thing I've got in the house, just up there, and it pulls it from here, take it to the rotate it.
My side, you're right.
So, and you can roll all the way out, which is really kind of ripping the heart out of the hook. You got it down that deep, because the whole point is that's why we want to get that snap of the ribs real quick. So that's where your thumb is at, your rib snap down. And if you can take somebody out of that,
Yeah, I'd say you're.
he's the one right now.
I'm trying to pronate.
Yeah, you kind of
Yeah. The way he was doing it was actually letting me get out top.
Yeah, Mike.
I'm pretty weak, man.
Huh?
I'm pretty weak.
I mean, nobody was going to pull this pull 220, but when they said it was money in the Masters, I'm like,